What's up, guys? Well, me and the birds are at it again. We're gonna keep this up until we get them out of town. Right now they're at 2.5 miles. Got a nice open field, no obstacles. Homes roughly that direction right there. So let's let them go. Come on. They got an obstacle they got to cross the freeway, so let's see how they do. It's 18. Only bird back in the loft is Bebop. Actually taking turns tossing him and his mate. So let's see. I'm gonna hang out here till they get out of sight. You guys need to get up. Well, they're heading in the right direction. I think they just made it over the freeway, but they were flying low. Good luck, guys. Well, they beat me back from 2.5 miles. So I'm on the roof. The rest of the group's still up. I'm gonna go in the backyard and call them in. Well, everybody made it back from 2.5 miles. They actually came back. Half of them went in, the other half got back up in the air, took off for another 20 minutes, came back. But this is how I'm going to train the two new ones. This is the settling cage I started with. And it's got a little wire door. Once you pull that little string, it lifts up in the back so these guys can go through and trap in. Figured since there's just two of them, this will work. So it's a lot of work, but we're moving along. Got this one little dodo up here that just doesn't want to go in, but I'm sure he'll get hungry and go in eventually. But yeah, guys, there's a video, and I'm out.